Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Yazi kule game esiphuma kuyona content engifuna ukuyi-highlight abantu abaningi abangayi-highlightanga kakhulu ngesisu se-Orlando Pirates. Yabo, when you look at this Orlando Pirates midfield, this is a complete midfield bafethu. This is a complete midfield. I know ucoach Abdeslam Wadu angasho ukuthi there is no player in that Orlando Pirates team onendawo. Yabo, akekho umdlali onendawo lapha. Each and every player usengashintsheka nje. Yabo. Just like that usengashintsheka. Makehleni Makhawula ever since ebuyile kwi-injury umjidi ubengadlali kahle, but ke le game le yamaZulu, le game ade idlala against amaZulu, you saw ukuthi umjida usebuyile kwi-groove yakhe, usewulo Makehleni lo Makhawula bese mjwayele. Yabo, for me I think coach Abdeslam Wadu kumele ayiqinise le midfield, kumele ayishiye inje. Yabo, badlale ndawonye bagcine sibe understandana kakhulu, because you saw kuleya game le uthi bebedlala kanjani. Yabo, you saw i-level of ibhola abebeliletha, you saw indlela ade bedlala ngakhona ukuthi hayibo engathi siyasamwela. Yabo, last season bekhona bani uMakehleni Makhawula, kube khona bani kube khona uTalente Mbatha, mase kube khona uTito Maswanganyi as number 10, but again this time kukhona bani, kukhona uMfukeng. Yabo, ithi isizini esaqala ade khona bani, ade khona uMasindini Mtajela, kube khona bani uSihle Nduli, mase kuba khona uSipho Mbule as number 10, but ke engathi manje sekune twist ekhona right now. Yabo, sekulandwe the previous midfield with a new number 10 okubani okumfukeng, with a new number 10 okumfukeng. I spoke about Mfukeng as a number 10. I feel like masifuna ukuwina ileague kumele labajida siqhubeke sibadlalise ndawonye. I think ba understandana. Talente Mbatha with his short passes, with his long passes, umjidi uyakwazi ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abreak defense with lawa mapass lawa. Mfukeng go everywhere. Umfukeng go everywhere. Le position ya number 10 imenza umjida abe free. Yabo, akwazi ukudlala each and every position ekhona egrounding, because bakhona abadlali abasemuva bakhe abazokwazi ukuthi protect. Yabo, le number 10 position imenza akwazi ukwenza lama theatrics akhe mfethu, umjida akwazi ukuthi asize team iye phambili, asize team i-attack. He has that creative role. Yabo, as a number 10 unaleyo creative role, unaleyo creative freedom, and leyo nto le iyona into ebesiyidinga ku number 10 Orlando Pirates. Yes, Umbule ubesinikeza leyo nto, but ke offensively I didn't see Umbule offensively, but ke as a creative he was there, but ke offensively that's what makes Umfukeng and Umbule different. Yabo, same as uTito Maswanganyi. Offensively uTito Maswanganyi is one of the best number 10s esinabo. Yabo, noMfukeng naye uyayireacha kancane kancane leyo level. Ukuthi currently ke uTito Maswanganyi ilevel yakhe yabo, iconfidence yakhe umjida isalu kancane. I hope uzokwazi ukuthi abuyele regain iconfidence yakhe, but ke offensively as number 10 uTito Maswanganyi is that number 10 okwazi ukcreate ama chances and futhi okwazi ukukorela. Yabo, iqiniso nje lihle linjalo, and uMfukeng I feel like iconfidence yakhe right now high, and indlela adlala ngakhona uyasinikeza leyo nto. I feel like lesisu lesi asiyekwe kanje bafethu, abasiyeke lesisu lesi sizosdelivela, sizosinikeza into esiyifunayo. Sifuna ama-wins, sifuna ama-wins, sifuna amagoli, sifuna indebe, sifuna ileague. Abdeslam Wadu ungasithinti isisu, ungasithinti isisu, sekuphekiwe sekulinda ukuphakwa nje lapha eswini. Yabo, ungayithintiki izitsho ufuna ukuyiwasha futhi, because wafuna ukuthinta izitsho uyiwasha futhi uzomosha ukudla ke manje. Yabo, ukudla ezosheshe kubole phela. Why uwasha izitsha? Uyiwashelani izitsha ukudla sekuvuthiwe? Lethi izitsha siphake sidle. Yabo, nayi imidfield. But ke bafethu ngangitshela. Yabo, there are many talented players abakhona ku Orlando Pirates. Uyabuya uSipho, uSihle Nduli bafethu uyabuya, nabo Sipho Mbule bafethu abajida banama knocks. Yabo, bayabuya uSipho Mbule, bakhona noNemtajela. Yabo, Abdeslam Wadu sengakushintsha konke lokho, noma kushisa kunjalo sengakushintsha phela uyena onezwi lokugcina. Yabo, as a fan ngasho nje ukuthi uba ngimthandayo, but ke uyena onezwi lokugcina ukuthi oba kumele abadlali, oba kumele bangadlali. Yabo.